man. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, I am underneath the car doing my typical JT underbody inspection. That's what I have dubbed it. Oh, y'all saw that? That is AC condensation, ladies and gentlemen. Please do not panic if you see water dripping from your car, especially if you using your air conditioning. Okay, now guys, as far as those oil leaks, there's not major drip under the bottom. However, as you saw up top, that oil, there is oil leaking from the top of the engine working its way down. So that is what we need to focus on, right? Okay, so like I said earlier in my presentation, low oil level can cause ticking noise. Now, you can, however, have a ticking noise with proper oil level, all right? In that case, on an engine such as this is 3.6 Pentastar Generation 2 engine, yeah, you could likely have some rocker arms going out on you, failing. All right, I'm just doing a typical underbody inspection right now. This thing has a naturally, it's a rear wheel drive. It's going to have a real differential. Now you do not see a transfer case, which would normally be right here, which will make it a 4-wheel drive unit. All right, so there will be no front differential because there is no transfer case. All right, no reason for a transfer case. So what my estimate going to include, guys, based off my inspection and the complaint, which was oil leak. They may be smelling oil on the valve cover too, guys. Remember, when oil leaks down, it has to end somewhere. It could very well be ending up on the cylinder head, which will, right below that is the valve cover, which right below that is the cylinder head, which right below that is the exhaust manifold, which happens to be hot. Okay, anytime oil hit a heated surface, it may blow off a puff of steam, smoke. Okay, so yes, that is what's going on. That is, I'm looking this thing over for any potential guys. I'm required by law and by the, not by law, but by the job, to inspect the brakes. I love it when they have wheels that can expose the rotors and the brake pads. That way I do not have to take the wheel off to verify if the brakes are not worn. And as you can see, this wear indicator, there's plenty of room in between that, which makes this front brakes appear to be all right. Now look at that tire. That tire is worn. So how do you go by that? Is good, guys. How do you go by explaining that? You need tires, but your brakes fine. I will, however, have to write up tires. I have to inspect the car. Okay, now as far as this, yeah, that's, I'd say 80% if I had to gauge or guess at it. 80% worn. Okay. Some people may want to just rotate their tires. I don't know. I always give the customer the option. Okay, I have no control over their finances and what they can and can't afford. All right, guys, I gotta wrap this up. If they buy this job, y'all know the drill. We'll start a part 2. All right, so for now, I have to end this video. I just wanted to go through this, guys. It's nothing technical, nothing major. Just a typical day in the shop for JT. I have like 5 more of the cars I have to check out. All right, I get mostly the hard stuff. Okay, the drivetrain and driveline stuff, transmission, engines, and things like that. This just happened to fall in the category. Now, until they know what it is, once I write up the estimate, they're gonna be like, we probably should have gave this to somebody smaller that we don't have to pay that much and we can earn much of a profit. That's typically how shops run, guys. They in the business to earn a profit. They paying me a certain hourly rate. They technically don't want me doing easy stuff. But you don't know what's hard and what's easy until it's inspected. All right, I ain't mad at them. Yes, I love this. All right, give my brain a break. But I'm talking crazy now, but guys, let me wrap this up before I say something else crazy. That's all I have for right now, guys. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Come and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video.